Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session we learn the write and read file in C++. So yes, first I share my laptop screen and here fix the position so you can watch better my video lecture, and here turbo C++ I double click and take some process, and now yes is open. Yes, some process is there, and now yes is open. So alter F file menu and taking new file, and here our goal, write a program to uh, write a file. First we write a file, and in my previous video lecture we can use the uh, F o if of stream class and if stream class. So that is ifstream and o stream class inherit, and that is base stream class is also there, and iOS is a super class. So that is we have to already see one figure. So yes, I first alter H, that help menu, and let us take the SF stream. So yes, that is a stream. Yes, here is there. So look, that figure is there. So that is a iOS class, and that is directly stream buffer and file buffer is inherit. And then iStream, that is go in the if stream, and O stream is going to upstream. So we can take the first upstream to write, and then if stream to read, and then that is a IO stream. Yes, that goes in the below. Yes, here is one class, and that is a if stream. So here we can use this both work, write and read, to upstream. So here we can also use first technique, constructor, not open methods technique. So there are two technique you can write, and here constructor technique is also two technique. First we can separate the upstream class write and if stream class read, and then one file we can read and write. And now here we can also two technique. First we can write and read in separate two file, and then one file we can also upstream class, only one, not before my video lecture I can give upstream and upstream, and then we can write and read. And that upstream is a upstream base class is there, and here ifstream, so we can include the upstream.h header file. Okay, so that is a figure very long. Here iOS is a super class, and now we can turn to our editor. So here our first technique, write only, and the first is a using the constructor. Okay, constructor uh, function of class, and here we can use the app stream class only, not, and first we can write. So that yes, we can look that syntax also. Yes, so that constructor is there, so app stream, yes, here, and then we can let us check that constructor. Yes, here is there. So look, here is a app stream. Yes, and that file path integer, and then file permission. So here you can pass in and out both. Means out means write and in is reading. So let us check. Yes, that here is there, and yes, that overloaded. So here our second form is there. Okay. And that not providing any syntax. So let us take. I give the syntax. So yes, that is a first I write the syntax for you. So here upstream parenthesis, and first that is our, we can say that uh, character asterisk, that path. Yes, that and constant. Yes, that constant path. So here constant characteristic path, and then iOS, yes, that is a out and or operator iOS, and that is a in operator. So in out both writes, write and read, and then file buffer, and then that is a scope resolution, and then we can say that prototype file prototype t. Yes, so that is a syntax, means that our constructor. So yes, I just we have to see. So yes, that is a constant, that character path, and then I was in and that out, and here is a integer. Yes, that return is a integer data type, means that data type, and pro. Yes, so p means prototype, that is, and we can equal sign, means that value. So file buffer and scope region, and then open. Yes, here one word is a open prototype. So that is a syntax now complete. And here you can assign to in and out, that also as a integer, and that known as a file mode. Yes, here is also you can, if like integer and then mode. Yes, and then uh, mode uh, assigned to this value. So there is a syntax full. I write this syntax so you can understand perfect way. So that is a constructor technique we can use. So yes, very long syntax is there. So yes, here, yes, now that and semicolon, yes, only remaining. So you look this syntax. So here we can pass the uh, character constant path, then integer mode. Both we have to pass out and write and read in. And then yes, here is a prototype. So yes, prototype equal to file buffer and scope region and open prototypes. Yes, that permission, file permission, how that giving the permission. So yes, I give this line to comment. So just for your reference, yes, I give multi-comment line here to here. Okay. So that based on syntax, first we can write one file. Yes, IO stream. So only one class used. In previous my technique, constructor technique is also used, and we can two class, ofstream and ifstream. Now we can use only one fstream, because here you can look that second constructor parameter is a in, out, and in both we can, or operator is there. So we can both permission. Yes. So now we can include an stdio.h, because we can use getters, and then conio, just console input output. And now we can start void main. Yes, and uh, first we can take employee id. Yes, and character employee name. Okay, so 20 character. So clear the screen, and then we can scan. So yes, here we can use employee, enter employee ID, okay, and then scan ID integer, and then cout, yes, enter employee name, yes, and then we can get s, yes, but get s is a taking problem sometime, buffer is overflow, so we can use the flush function and std in standard input. So that complete, and now we can only one class, and that is its fstream only. That is our header file. Yes, here is also require that header file is also. Let us take, so yes, caps lock on, so small letter. So fstream.h. Yes, that header file is also required, and we can only one class use, and that is also constructor. So first we can write, so f out, yes, that gives the, and then constructor we can pass like emp.text file, and here second argument, that is ios, and out means write permission. So f out, and we can write id, and then enter new line, and same f out, we can write the employee name, and then enter. Okay, so that right, and means and we can, yes, also we can use close, but here we cannot first use close, because that program is terminate means complete, that automatically terminate to means close that file. So just we have to write only, yes, not read. So yes, I save this file. So we can say that write file. Okay. So yes, not here. So many character is there. So only write, yes, and file and dots write. Yes, write file dot cpp. Okay, so I compile. Yes, there is no any error, and our exe file is generated. And let us take I run. So yes, post ID. So let us take 101, and then name is a Krishna. So yes, just only write only. Let us check that file is. So I press window key and come out. Yes, here one window is there. So now in our drive and C drive, yes, that is a turbo C++ and that new turbo. So disk folder is there, turbo C3 and bin, and we can give the EMP. So yes, yes, here is our file, that is notepad EMP, and I double click. Yes, look that our file is right. So 101 and Krishna. Yes, that notepad file is created. And now I again close means that's all and come to our editor, and that is a write. And now I can save as this and reading this file. So we can read, yes, underscore file, but that maximum we can give read file, yes, cpp. So let us check, and then here we cannot scan. So yes, I remove the scanning part because we cannot scan, read in, and we can same file, and I change f in same, and that is f in, and we can read that, yes, directly read id, and f in that also that uh, input operator. Okay, so let us take, and we can print after cout. So that is employee id. So employee id is there, and we can print id. Okay, and then handle, and second we can print the employee name. So yes, just only name, and so you cannot give the prefix is employee and name. Yes, so there is a two field is there. So yes, I compile. There is a, yes, what here our, okay. So yes, yes, here that is not require handle. Yes, here is a, we cannot write, only read is there. So yes, semicolon, that is not right, only reading is there. So that, yes, handle is not required. In printing time, that handle, yes, e name is there. Yes, now that's already perfectly. Yes, so let us check. So that reading perfectly. So that is a, here we can only one class use, fstream class. Yes, not ofstream and ifstream. Yes. So previously my video lecture, I take two class and use the technique of constructors. Same technique I use constructor of function of our class, and fstream, that is a so long syntax is there. And now we can combine both reading and writing in one file. Yes, let us. So we can use close method. And here first I save as this file. So write and read and fstream. Yes, but not all classes. So yes, I give some short. Yes, f write read fst. So yes, that completely, yes, write read only one class. So first, and we can give also new, but I first open to our previous file, and that is we can say that write, yes, write file, yes. So yes, this file is there, and then I copy this all, yes, I copy to, yes, here get as and scan and write, yes, all are I copy paste copy and close this file, and now we can paste to here. Okay, so that is a right, but how we can identify? So here, just both, yes, here that is again declared, so I remove, and that is a scanning, yes, and then write. So I give the n new emp, yes, I change the name of file so we can understand. And now here I close f out dot close method is there. So first we can close and then reopen to n, yes, n, and that is a reading, yes, same process. So yes, that perfectly. Let us in one file we can first write, yes, and then read, same. So here two times, yes, so that is a same. We can, but the same object we have to not use because that multiple declaration take the error. So we can take two object f out, and here is a f in. But the class is the same, fstream. Here is also fstream. And previously my tech means video lecture, I take the here is a offstream and here is a ifstream. So that is a, but fstream is a taking that syntax both out and in, and here is a or. So you can also take out and in second argument in constructor. So yes, now let us check. Yes, there is no any error, and I give some different ID like only one and RAM. Yes, we can change also name and file also. Yes, that perfectly reading writing. So yes, let us check. So yes, you have to write this program to your C++ notebook. So here we can only one class use in fstream class, reading writing. So first we can separate one write and then read, and we can combine third file both write and read. Yes. And yes, also take one. Yes, let us check. So here we can take float and that basic salary BS of employee. Okay, third parameter. So yes, let us scan, and here after name I put, and that say basic salary, okay, of employee, and here we can scan the BS basic salary, and then here we can write f out, so we can take a BS and then and L. So and L, yes, semicolon, and then read also, yes, so that we can same f in and BS. Yes, you can also change the variable name here, there is also possibility, and here we can provide the and L, yes, and I copy and paste to here, and that is a basic salary. Okay, so three parameters. So you can also whole mark sheet of employee, whole salary structure of employee, DHRA, gross salary, all you have to take, and BS. Yes, so here I only three field use. Yes, now let us compile. Yes, there is no any error, and let us again write. So yes, we can give the 101, and I give some different name. So Hanuman, yes, okay, and salary, so like that's 9,000. Yes, that perfectly all three field, and let us check that is file is created or not, and emp, yes, so that is a perfectly, we can also increase one field. Okay, all three different data type, integer, character 1D array, and float data type. So yes, let us check. I just first close this file. So yes, or we can press window key, I minimize this and go in our C drive. So yes, let us check the default that is saved in turbo C, the net, yes, disk and turbo, then bin folder and nemp, yes, and yes, here is there nemp. By double click, and yes, look, that file is preparing. So that is id, name in one line, and salary. So that is all, this file is created, and yes, now I close this all and open to our editor again. So yes, now complete. So only one class we can use. In previously, that is same technique I use using constructor of class, but here we can use the fstream only, fstream, not ofstream and ifstream. So there is a constructor technique also. There are two techniques. So that is a, you can separate ofstream and ifstream, read, write and read. And here we only one class, fstream class. Okay. So first in this session, we can also first write separate file in CPP and then read and then combine both. So you can use the close technique. And previously we cannot use the close technique. So program is terminated automatically. That file pointer is also close. So we can passive, and yes, here we can also close. Yes. So here if fin dot close method is there. So that is a better. And let us take some different run again. So I give some different value. So 105, yes, directly. And here we can give like Mira, okay, any name, and that basic salary. So yes, I give some different value. Okay. So that perfectly write and read. Okay. So you can also testing. Yes, that is a here we can same variable use. So you can also check that is a right in the file or not. So you, if you like that, you can also take like here we can take x and then character like we can take str and 20 character and then declare again variable and plot, that is a basic salary, only b is there. Okay. So let us take, I give the x, and here I give the str string, and here only b. So let us check that perfectly or not, because what to do. So here we can already, that value is a scanning. So you can look like that is a same over normal scanning, and that is print is obviously. But now we can here use the file pointer f in. Just so that taking from file to reading and then printing. So we can prove that also. So yes, now let us check the testing. So yes, I give the x, that is a not to, we can scan x variable in previously. And here I give the str string, yes, and then only b. So previously we can take id, ename and basic salary. And now I create three new variable x, str and b for basic salary plot. So here we can reading from file and then printing all three variable. Yes, that is proving right. So yes, let us check that perfectly no any error. Yes, and now check some 111. Okay, only. And then here I give like any name. So yes, it shows yes that yes, and let us check that salary. So yes, 999. Yes. Okay. So not range out of, yes, that perfectly reading. So look, that is a, we can see our perfectly our goal is achieved. So now yes, I close this file. We can testing. So here there is no require this new variable, but we can just check that directly scan or not print, but reading from the file. Yes, that is I prove. So just testing, because here we can scan. Yes, here we can scan all three variables, and here we can print. So you can look like that is scanning and printing normal, but here is a reading from file and then printing. Yes, that is happening. So we can also check that type of testing. Okay. So yes, all are perfectly well, and our file is also created. And here fstream constructor syntax I also provide to you. So here character constant path and that integer, and here mode outing both or operator is there, and that prototype means file permission is there, buffer and open prototype. So yes, write this program in C++ notebooks. Very interesting, but very simple, and I elaborate all concept perfectly. So now I close this Alt F3 function key to close this file and also message and quit. So yes, subscribe my channel Ashok Sijalakani, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.